Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jeff. So I'm here, you know what I'm saying, close to the Kosciuszko bridge over here in Queens. I'll take the bird out for a flight. Been wanting to take, a few photos of the bridge. It's gonna be raining tomorrow, so I figure it's a beautiful night in New York City. So I'm gonna take my Mavic 2 out for a quick spin, take a couple photographs, a little video clip, and see what happens. All right, guys, so we're right here. I'm gonna set this baby up. We here. I'm in auto. A little dark up in here. You know what? Start recording. You got enough satellites here. You got about 16, so we good. Up. So in case you don't see your drone, look up in the sky, see it? Turn the light off or you lose it. Turn the light back on. There he goes. That's always a good reference to have. So always use that as a reference. On the Mavic 2, you have that reference. You know what I'm saying? You can use that bottom light. So right now I'm recording. It's looking beautiful. Beautiful video, 4K. I'm about what? 171 feet? More to like 200 feet. Keep it safe. See how beautiful it's looking from here? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's changing colors and it's looking gorgeous. So right now what I'm doing, hyperlapsing. You know, it's a gorgeous bridge doing beautiful hyperlapsing. I mean, this thing's hyperlapsing is great, but it takes time. And also sucks up a lot of battery. I mean, this may just take all my battery. Right now I'm at 67%. I did 2 waypoints, one heading towards the bridge and one sideways. And I don't even know I'm gonna be able to finish the sideways because it's already 67%. It's a bad thing about hyperlapse, you know, so it's 100 photos. Right now the first one is halfway, 51 photos. So, let's see how it goes. Hopefully I get the second part, which is like the side part, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna look cool. And that's it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, hopefully it turns out all right. So I did some shots, you know what I'm saying? A couple hyperlapses, a couple side joints, right over it, backed off of it. Let's check the video out. Hopefully it came out nice.